Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have a very quick unboxing. Ulanzi sent me a couple of Osmo Pocket accessories and I really want to check them out. I'm expecting to see an action and tripod mount here, and Ulanzi has been great at sending those. And surprise, surprise, now we actually have the GoPro case here. Funny thing is that I am actually filming with GoPro, so I cannot really demonstrate, but let's go ahead and unbox these things. Here we have a mini tripod from Ulanzi. Let me see if it's the same as the one that I already have. I like this turquoise color, by the way, so let's hope that it's the... Oh, it's the same thing but blacked out. Frankly, this also looks really cool. All right. Okay, the texture is different, but hey, I really am gonna enjoy this. And let's go ahead and unbox the vlogging case, because I have my Ulanzi vlogging case, but this one is actually an upgrade over what I have, because it allows you to use your ND filters directly as well, because the one I have does not have the ND filters option, and this part is actually the part that allows you to put the ND filters on. Maybe it will fit on my case here. I'm actually filming with my GoPro in that case, but let's check it out. The great thing about this one is that thanks to the extra plate, you can just mount a light. Funny enough, I also have this light right over there. Can't believe it, like Ulanzi has been like spoiling me with a couple of gifts, so I really thank them, and nothing got me more excited than this case, to be frank with you, in a while. So oh, cool. You know how they improved this one? They actually added the screw mount, so that's why this is gonna be a great combo. I love it, because I was using actually my Ulanzi vlogging case, GoPro vlogging case, with something like this, but I had to add the GoPro extension. Now I can just go ahead and use this. To be frank with you, I love it. It's a great idea. Like, I can angle it myself, so no need for an extra angle there. I love it. And when it's sitting on the tabletop, does it go? Yep. Beautifully sits. Thank you, Ulanzi, for sending me these. Again, I was expecting the Osmo Pocket accessory because it's about to come, but I ended up with a great GoPro accessory. Let me see. This is my GoPro Hero 5 Session, actually, because of the form factor, I still love this one. But let me see if my Hero 6 is around so that I can demonstrate using the Hero 6. There you go. This part is rather similar, so I open it. I already popped the door out. Like usually there's a door like this here. This is my GoPro Hero 6. Yeah, black. So you pop the door like that. You put it in here. You just lock it in place. And you put this, like, does it go that way? No. You put the audio adapter by letting the cable go first. And then boom, it usually holds, and as you see, it holds beautifully. You just tangle it once and plug it in. And when you're using this, obviously the great thing about the second generation of Ulanzi vlogging case is that you can just add the extension plate like this and use the cold shoe mount here to put something else. And of course they have the tripod mount. You put it up like this. And another great thing is I'm seeing here, you can now screw in your, what is it called? Yeah, you can screw in your ND filters now. I'm sure there's a way to attach it. Let me quickly gaze and figure it out. I'm thinking that this is the way. Yeah, that was a very serious clicking noise. Clicks in on place. Oh, it's easy to remove as well. There you go. And then click it on place. Boom. There you go. Now we can screw in your filters. And I'm seeing this part here. Is this a lens cover? That would be awesome. And it... No, not this way. Which way does it go? Oh, maybe when you're not using this, you just take it out and then put the lens cover. Boom. Yeah, it's actually a superior product than the version 1, which is here. I love the version 2 already. The extra cold shoe, this. You can also remove it if you don't want to. Like, most of it is the same, but then you have the direct attachment for the, like the 1/4 screw thread, and then you just get in. This is what it is. My first one didn't have the branding. This one has the brand. I have no problem blacking it out, or I'm just proud to carry this because Ulanzi again has been really generous. They sent me a lot of stuff, so I'd like to thank them. And here is the unboxing. This is also from Ulanzi. Like, I think this Osmo Pocket adapter is also, Osmo Pocket to tripod adapter is also from Ulanzi, so they are building a good name, and I stand by their products. So far, I did not see anything that would make me do otherwise. They're doing a great job. All the links you'll see down below. Click and grab them. So yeah, all the links will be down below. Just go ahead and click on them. I'm getting a small commission if you do, and it helps me keep making videos like this. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, and until the next time, arrivederci.